Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing to Laravel 10 installation and Laravel 10 Telescope installation step by step and in this run project. Let's start. First of all, this is my channel Error Solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon, new update missing. Let's first of all this local host. My gem server already started Apache and MySQL have already started. Let's run localhost php my admin. This open the php my admin, this php version 8.1.2. this is my gem server. Inside this htdoc folder, this gem server inside htdoc folder, this all my project inside cmd, open cmd this project htdoc folder inside php version check. This php version check, this 8.1.2, this php version. This composer check, composer successfully available. This my system already. Let's step by step installation Laravel 10. This version Laravel 10.x, this latest version. This command line, this copy this command and paste here. This project name Laravel Telescope, Laravel Telescope. This copy all command and insert, this paste here and insert, enter. Successfully installation start. This Laravel Telescope. Let's check. This Laravel Telescope, this installation start. This step by step installation in this vendor bundle missing. Step by step installation Laravel Telescope. This wait. Step by step installation Laravel 10 latest version. This package successfully installation. Wait. This video stop and again start. Start. Step by step installation this package. This wait. This package step by step installation. Wait. "53 package suggestion were added by new dependency using composer suggest. To see details, generating optimization autoload file. Wait installation command. Only single this command add. This command installation. So wait. This latest version installation 10 plus. This wait. Wait installation. Auto file generation. Successfully installation application is successfully set. This successfully installation this Laravel latest version. This close file. This close. This cmd open. This close, and this project open. Inside this CMD open, this project inside open CMD, this project inside successfully open this PSP artisan serve and enter, and this copy this URL and paste here. This my browser. Laravel latest version installation, this Laravel 10.71.1.1.PSP version successfully available. This Laravel successfully installation. Let's check this Laravel composer. This project open this Sublime text editor. Let's open this successfully Sublime text editor, and this composer JSON check this Laravel framework, this 10.10 in PSP version, and this all required, this all plugin installed. This close file. In this not available telescope. Let's step by step telescope installation. This close this, and this stop this route, stop, successfully stop, Control C, successfully stop. This project inside CMD open. This telescope website officially Laravel 10.xl select this telescope chat step by step. This copy all tool, copy and paste here. This installation step by step. This first composer required Laravel telescope. This insert and enter. The installation Laravel Telescope 4.50.2. Successfully all set. The Syntax telescope Tinker Carbon all successfully set, and telescope successfully installation. Let's check composer JSON file. This is my project composer JSON file. Telescope installation successfully this available. Good working. Let's new command add this command line, copy this installation migration file. Let's paste here and enter. Successfully all published, successfully available. This migration inside this database name select. This database name is change this Laravel Telescope. This project, this database name is same name, this Laravel Telescope. This database name PSP my admin open, already open this. Inside new, create this new database and create. Successfully create Laravel Telescope. This table is the blank, this small words. Copy this and paste here this small, and this root and database successfully available. Good working. This is blank. Let's add this migration command. Copy this command, last command, PSP artisan migrate, and enter. Successfully migration step by step installation. All table create. Let's check table, migration table, refresh this table. Successfully all set this telescope 3 table. Good working. All tables all available this entry telescope. This refresh this and all set. Tag set. Successfully set. Let's step by step run this project PSP artisan server. Artisan serve. Enter. And this URL copy already in this page here. Refresh this page. Successfully good working. This open this website and this available this telescope. let's step by step this /add, copy this and inside this paste here URL and enter. Successfully installation telescope, good working. This all command line, this schedule already migrate, create this migrate command, this delete, all good data delete, and this refresh, eyes view, all job, all available. This telescope successfully installation, good. All extension get, HTTP client, log, all installation, this view, welcome, this file available, this request successfully all set, the single path available route, good working. This telescope, this all command available step by step, PSP artisan serve, this available, this command, this database available, good working. This database connection add, telescope installation step by step and set. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.